Hello everyone. I'm on the outside here and I'm just going to let you have a listen to nature. There are many birds lurking around right now. You can hear them singing. And so I'm going to just be quiet for some time as you listen to the birds sing their different types of music from their beak. Just relax and just enjoy what nature has to offer. You can hear the different sounds, cars moving, all these noises, but nothing beats the noise of those birds. You have some out there lurking in the grass. I tell you, it's good when you can relax on the outside. If you are able to see clearly, they are right there. See them there. You have some in the trees. All different sounds coming at you at this point in time. You can hear the plane, you can hear as I said before, the birds, the cars, you know. See one there into that tree right there. But I'm just going to be quiet for a little while so that you can enjoy what they are saying. We don't know what they are saying, but they know in their language, you know. So just relax, take a moment to reflect on the day that God has spared you, reflect on the blessings that He has given you, reflect on those many moments when you might have had mishaps and you thought you weren't going to be around. Reflect on the goodness of God, reflect on your family, your children, your spouse, your workspace, reflect on your environment, your friends. Just take a moment and to give God the praise, give God the blessing. Even during the challenging times, God is able to take you through your rough moments. And all of us have and are experiencing rough moments. Some might be worse than the other. However, we serve a God who has the feeling of our infirmities. He took that on when he were on earth. And so he understood exactly what we are experiencing. He understood exactly what we are going through. Nothing is not new to our Father and our Savior. Nothing is strange. Nothing is not it is hard for him, and there is nothing that he doesn't know. And so as you take this time out to reflect, I'm just going to leave now and let you listen to the birds as they chirp, as they sing. You might see some flying past, and even the little creatures, those little lizards sometimes that some of us are afraid of. You can see crawling on the floor there. Yeah, these are creatures that are here, and they are there for a purpose because I see them picking at things, maybe some parasites that is harmful. So they are on earth for a reason. Nothing that the Lord made is not for a reason. So just relax, listen. I can hear the nightingale right now. And if you look carefully on that photograph over there, you will see, let me see if I can see it, right over there perching. See it there? Right there. That's it there. Yes, right in the high. So we have much to give God thanks for as we go through today. Some of us may not have a good day today, and some may have a wonderful day. And so there are many things to just to pause and give God thanks for. So you relax yourself, listen, to the voices or the chirpings of our birds. I'm sure you're hearing the birds right now singing. Beautiful evening. I would say the birds are cooling out, but they are doing their thing. Can't blame them. Right around here, there's a cherry tree, as you can see. Apparently, cherries are on it. It's nice. Mm, sweet. That's plenty, but the season finished. You have some young ones coming up anyway. These not look so wonderful, but they are there. See them here? Yeah. See the last crop. Look at these. Oh, them pretty. Nice. Mm, sweet. See it like a bit yum. Mm, quite yum. Of course. No yam there right here, so. hmm Think some cherries on this one too. Because the time was so dry. Like they have worm blossoming. Alright, so the birds quiet down for a while. They come around this side, you hear them even more. And if you should go around the other side. But you get the gist. Just reflect and give God thanks for all the blessings that He has bestowed upon you. One of the greatest blessings, as you know, is your health. Don't take your health for granted because your health is what keep you going, keep you alive, and keep you well, keep you moving. So appreciate your health and invest in your health as much as possible. Because when you invest in your health, you will be able to do anything that you want to do. All right, so until then, peace out and God's blessing as we continue to give Him praise and to give Him thanks for all the blessings He has bestowed upon us too. All right, so until then, I'm out.